The way we use the internet is changing fast. And with it, the rules around online privacy are changing too. From the apps on your phone to the websites you visit, your data is constantly being tracked. But new technology, new regulations, and new tools are starting to shift the balance of power back to users like you. In this video, we're breaking down what's next for online privacy, what you need to know, and how you can stay in control. Right now, online privacy is a constant trade-off. Every app you use collects data, your location, your habits, even your interests. Companies use this data for ads, product recommendations, and sometimes analytics. But with growing awareness and new regulations like GDPR in Europe and CCPA in California, there's more pressure than ever on companies to be transparent about how your data is used. Still, it's not perfect. Even with rules, most people aren't fully aware of what's being collected, and hackers, scammers, and unscrupulous apps are constantly looking for ways to exploit data. So, what's changing next? First, AI and automation are transforming privacy. AI can detect suspicious activity faster than ever, helping protect your accounts. But it also powers targeted ads and deepfakes that make tracking and misinformation more sophisticated. Second, encryption is becoming more standard. More apps and services are offering end-to-end encryption, making it harder for hackers and even companies to access your private messages. Third, decentralized platforms and Web3 technologies are giving users more control over their data, letting you decide what to share and with whom. Finally, privacy-first browsers and search engines are gaining popularity, helping reduce traffic and fingerprinting online. And it's not just technology. The laws around privacy are evolving too. We're seeing governments push for stronger rules on data collection and tracking. Companies will soon need to be more transparent about what data they collect, how long they keep it, and with whom they share it online. At the same time, regulators are debating stricter rules for AI-generated content and automated data profiling, meaning you may have more rights over how algorithms handle your information in the near future. While the future looks promising, you still need to protect yourself today. Review app permissions and disable tracking wherever possible. Use strong, unique passwords. A password generator like Total Password can make this easy. Enable two-factor authentication on accounts. Consider using a VPN like Total VPN for public Wi-Fi. Be mindful of the personal information you share online. Even as laws and tech improve, your own habits are still your best defense. In the coming years, you can expect more AI-powered security and threats, stronger legal protections for your data, increased consumer awareness and demand for privacy tools, a shift toward services that respect privacy as a feature, not an afterthought. In short, online privacy will become a competitive advantage. Companies that protect your data will be the ones you trust. The future of online privacy is closer than you think. Your data is valuable, and it's up to you to protect it while the rules catch up. If this video helped you understand what's coming next, hit like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Stay safe out there.